Welcome to my channel. I'm Ariana and this is Henry. Henry, say hi.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making fall themed slime. So for this activity, you're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of eye contact solution, 6 ounces of Elmer's glitter glue. This is what we're using. We're using red. You need half a tablespoon of baking soda. Something to stir with, either popsicle sticks or a spatula. Thank you.
Go.
You're welcome. And I got these at Walmart, and these are confetti. These are little fall themed confetti. So are you gonna help mommy put that in? We're gonna mix. You ready to mix? You love mixing. Put it in the bowl. In. Oh, good job, Henry. All right. Now, we're going to need 3 of these. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pouring. So you need 1.5 tablespoons of this. I'm going to 1. And 2. What's next, Henry? 3. Good job. 3. Yay! All right. Now you want to keep the eye contact solution on hand just in case you might need a little bit more. And now we're going to pour the entire glue in. This is his favorite part. You like to squeeze. You want to squeeze? I'll hold the spatula for you. Hold on. Squeeze. Squeeze hard. Squeeze. Whoa. Shake, 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 shake. Squeeze. Shake, shake, shake. Isn't that cool? Look at all that glitter. It's red. Can you say red? Red. Good job, Henry. You're such a good talker, buddy. Another tip I have when starting activities with kiddos is having them eat right before the activity so they're nice and focused for the entire activity and they're more willing to cooperate. And I always have him either have a juice box or a small snack, and that just makes it so much easier. As well as after the project, you want to make the transition out of the project as smoothly as possible, because I've been there when we do projects like this and he is having so much fun, but we are pretty much done to a point where he's making too much mess, and we need to transition him smoothly. And so I already have things available for him that I know he wants, so things that are going to motivate him to want to move on from this project. And that can be a movie, that can be having lunch ready for him, so a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I know he's going to be hungry after, or his favorite toy or his iPad. So that's what we do. You did it! Yay! Good job, high five! Alright, do you want to add, hold on, before we add anything, alright, do you want to mix with the purple or yellow?
Red.
Yeah, it is red. You want yellow or purple?
Blue.
Purple?
Oh no.
pick the leaves out. Look, I got one. Got one. When we first did this activity, I remember we, at the end, he ended up getting it on his shirt, which is not a big deal. It comes off pretty easily, but he spent the majority of the time after we finished the activity peeling off the glue off his shirt. So that was pretty cool. I mean, it kept him focused and like having fun picking that slime off his shirt. But yes, you can go ahead and put we did the dinosaurs ones before, so we did a green slime with dinosaurs in it, and then he had to kind of like rescue the dinosaurs from the slime and then put them in a bucket like we are doing the leaves right now, and he loves it. He can be a little bit of a perfectionist or OCD with cleaning sometimes, so sorting is his favorite game. So that's what we want to make sure. Oh,
yeah.
Wow, slime. Make sure we encourage what he likes to do too. Oh, thank you. Is that for me? Thank you, Henry. So if your hands do get very sticky, you can put eye contact solution and it'll come right off. And if you have like 1-year-olds and you still want them to feel this texture, you can do the slime yourself and put it in a Ziploc bag, which I'm going to do a Halloween themed one later. And you can put it in a Ziploc bag, put some googly eyes in it, and have the 1-year-olds squish and play with the texture as well without having them put it in their mouths. Henry, let's keep it in. Let's keep it in, okay? Look, I got one. In. Got one. Yay. Do you need help? Look. Ooh. Wow.
What?
You got one, yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. Thank you. Look at that. Whoa. You want to do it again? Ready? Again.
Again.
Say again, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, look how far it stretches. Again.
Again.
Wow. That's so long. You do it. Yeah, you're stretching it. Whoa. So this is one of our favorite activities, as well as like the first to know what we did. If you have any favorite slime themed ones that you've made before, or you want to see here, just leave it in the comments below, and I'm looking forward to reading them so we can do some more of these cool slime projects. I love making slime. And we'll see you again on our next video. Henry, say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
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 Hi.
Hi. Good job.
Go.
Look. Ball.
Go.
Look. Whoa. Oh, you said let go.